So students, we are here with the next part of our chapter tissue. In the previous video we are discussing about the connective tissue. In this video we are studying about the muscular tissue and the neural tissue. So we are start, that is muscular tissue. This is the tissue include all muscles present in our body. This tissue help in contraction and the relaxation of our body parts. Muscular tissue include mainly three types of muscles. That is, muscular tissue is divided into, you can say, in three types category. The first is smooth or involuntary muscles. The second is striated or voluntary, or you can say skeletal muscles. And the third is cardiac muscles. Now we are moving on the next, that is with the complete detail of these different type of muscles. The first is smooth or involuntary muscles. These are the irregular shape of muscles. They are not having a particular shape, or you can say in some cases these muscles having tapered or you can say pointed end. Dark and light band are absent, so they give the smooth appearance. That's why they are also known as smooth muscles. They are not working according to our will, so they are also known as involuntary muscles. You cannot control the movement of these muscles, so they are known as involuntary muscles. They are found in the surface of organ, and you can say inside the ducts and tubes. This is the diagram. You are saying here particularly that is the tapered end, that is, you can say, pointed end of muscles, and they are lying inside the ducts. The next is striated muscle, or you can say voluntary muscles or skeletal muscles. These are the muscles having dark and light band on it, so they are called as striated muscles. This is the light and dark bands which appear on these type of muscles. They are present on skeleton, means they are connected over the bones. We are already know about the muscles are connected to bones by tendon, so they are also called as skeletal muscles. They are working according to our will, means you can control the movement of these muscles, so they are known as voluntary muscles. They are helpful in movement of our bones according to our will for locomotion and movement, as we already discussed. The third type is cardiac muscles. They are involuntary muscles, means you cannot control the motion, or you can say contraction and relaxation in these type of muscles. They are having dark and light band on it. They are present only in heart, so they are also known as muscles of heart. That is, this is the structure of our heart, and these are the structure of cardiac muscles. The fourth type of tissue is neural tissue. It is the tissue that is made up of neuron. I think you all know about the neuron. This is the structure of neuron. It controls the body activities by generating impulse. You can say the brain, or you can say spinal cord, control our body parts by the help of neuron. Brain, spinal cord and nerve, that is neural nerve, they all are made up by neurons. It controls the muscle movement, as we already discussed. Structure and part of neurons. Now we are discussing this in detail. These are the parts of the neuron, that is nucleus. Cell body. Cell body is the structure that is dendrite and the nucleus together combines and form the cell body. After the dendrites, you can say after the cell body, the axon starts. Over axon there are some fatty substance of sheath is present, that is myelin sheath, and at last axon divide and converted into many branches, that is known as nerve end. The first is dendrite. What is the function of dendrite? That is, it generate impulse and take impulse of adjacent neuron. Nucleus, it control the activity of neurons. Axon, dendrite pass impulse into axon and the axon pass its further. Myelin, it avoid loosening of information of impulse during its transfer. जब impulse transfer होता है न्यूरॉन के अंदर से तो उसका लॉस ना हो उसको अवॉइड कराता है माइलिन. नर्व एंड क्या करता है? इट पास द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द नेक्स्ट न्यूरॉन. उसको जो है नेक्स्ट न्यूरॉन के डेंड्राइट के ऊपर जो है वो रिलीज कर देता है इंफॉर्मेशन को. So friends, thank you again, and for the more videos subscribe the channel. Thank you, have a great day.